Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we keep your beauty routine real and effective. If you've ever found yourself struggling to reach those tight spaces between your teeth with traditional floss, or maybe even disposable toothpicks, then you'll want to stick around for this review. Today, we're diving into something that promises to make your oral care easier and more effective: the Gum Soft Picks Advanced Tight. These handy dental picks are more than just a quick fix. They're designed with precision in mind. If you have tight interdental spaces, braces, bridges, or any orthodontic appliances, these might just be what you've been looking for. But are they really worth the hype? Let's find out. The Gum Soft Picks Advanced Tight come with a few features that set them apart from your typical dental picks. The longer curved handle is designed for a comfortable grip, and the smaller base with a smaller tip allows for precise cleaning in those hard-to-reach areas. Essentially, they're crafted to slide easily between your teeth, removing plaque and food with ease, leaving your teeth feeling fresher and your gums healthier. I personally tested these during my morning and evening oral care routine. The bristles are soft but firm enough to actually do the job without being too harsh on your gums. I have some tighter spaces between my teeth, so I was curious to see if these would make a difference. Let me tell you, these made flossing feel like a thing of the past. They're gentle, quick to use, and I noticed a difference in my gum health after just a few days. One of the things I love is the portability. These picks come in individual envelopes, making them super convenient to throw in your purse or gym bag. Whether you're traveling or simply need a quick refresher during the day, they're a fantastic on-the-go solution. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, they're incredibly easy to use, even for someone like me who can struggle with traditional floss. The precision of the smaller tip is great for those tight spots, and the bristles don't feel harsh on the gums. The overall design is comfortable to hold, and they're dentist recommended, which adds an extra layer of credibility. On the downside, while these picks are super convenient, they're a bit on the pricier side compared to traditional floss. But honestly, if you've struggled with flossing or just want a quicker solution, they're worth considering. When it comes to value for money, I think they hit the mark for convenience and effectiveness, especially if you have specific needs like tight spaces between your teeth. However, if you're just looking for something basic to maintain your routine, you might find traditional floss more cost-effective. As for build quality, the picks are solid and durable, but the fact that they're disposable means you're going to have to repurchase regularly, which can add up over time. However, for the level of comfort and ease they provide, I think it's a fair trade-off. Midway through this review, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss out on any future reviews. If you're thinking about trying these out, the link to purchase is in the comments below. In terms of customer support, Gum has a strong reputation for being responsive and offering great assistance if you have any issues with their products. While I didn't need to reach out myself, it's good to know that they have a solid customer service team behind their offerings. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some other dental picks out there, but these Gum Soft Picks Advanced Tight stand out for their design and precision. If you're not quite ready to splurge on these, you might find similar options at a lower price point, but I wouldn't expect the same level of effectiveness, especially for tighter spaces. So final thoughts, are the Gum Soft Picks Advanced Tight worth the investment? Absolutely. If you're someone who values efficiency and comfort in your oral care routine, these could become a game changer for you. They may not be the cheapest option, but the benefits, especially if you have tight spaces or orthodontic appliances, make them a solid choice. Thank you for tuning into this review. If you've already tried these picks, let me know in the comments below. Your feedback could help others make a more informed decision. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.